Hello students, welcome to another lecture on electronic devices. In our last videos, we were discussing the applications of op-amp, and today we are going to continue the discussion on inverting and non-inverting amplifier using an operational amplifier. An inverting amplifier is simply used to invert the input signal, whereas a non-inverting amplifier is used to enhance the input signal without any phase changes. Now, coming to the circuit diagram and analysis of inverting amplifier using op-amp, the circuit diagram of an op-amp in the inverting mode is displayed. In this mode of operation, the positive input terminal of an op-amp is grounded and the input voltage Vin is applied to the negative input terminal through the resistor Ri. The feedback applied through the resistor Rf from the output to the input terminal is negative. As the name suggests, the output of such amplifier is inverted as compared to the input signal. The input and the output waveform of inverting amplifier is displayed. The inverted output signal means having a phase shift of 180 degree as compared to the input signal. Now, applying KCL to the circuit, we get Vin minus Va by Ri, that is equal to Va minus V0 by Rf. As node B is grounded, node A is also grounded at potential from the concept state of virtual ground, so we get Va is equal to 0. Hence, the equation becomes Vin by Ri, that is equal to minus of V0 by Rf. And if we further simplify this equation, we get V0 by Vin, that is equal to minus of Rf by Ri. Here, V0 by Vin is referred to as closed loop gain of the inverting op-amp. It is negative in quantity because the closed loop amplifier reverses the signal of the input signal, that is, the output out of phase with the input. Furthermore, it depends only on the ratio of Rf by Ri. Therefore, closed loop stability is determined by the stability of this ratio. Now, let's talk about the circuit diagram and analysis of non-inverting amplifier using op-amp. The circuit diagram of an ideal op-amp in the non-inverting mode is displayed. In this case, of the input signal is applied directly to the non-inverting input terminals of the amplifier, and the feedback resistor Rf and Ri that are connected between the output terminal, the negative input terminal and the ground, where the node B is at potential of Vin. Hence, the potential of A is same as B, which is Vin. Now, applying KCL in this circuit, we get 0 minus Vin by Ri, that is equal to Vin minus V0 by Rf. So therefore, we can say minus of Vin by Rf minus Vin by Ri, that is equal to minus of V0 by Rf. And after further simplification, we get the value of V0 by Vin is equal to 1 plus Rf by Ri. The input and the output waveforms are displayed. The positive sign indicates that there are no phase shift between the input and output. And with this, we have come to an end of this session. And today we have learned inverting and non-inverting amplifier using op-amp, circuit diagram and analysis of inverting amplifier using operational amplifier, and circuit diagram and analysis of non-inverting amplifier using operational amplifier. We will continue our discussion on the applications of operational amplifiers in our next videos. Till then, practice and rewatch all the previous videos that are necessary. Thank you and goodbye.